What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Mastablendz Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're going to be making smoked turkey breast. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be using these Butterball turkey breast roast. They pretty much all season. They sell them all year. You know, during the holidays, you can find usually more turkey breasts and drumsticks and turkey legs, all that. But this is pretty much all season. When you open them up, this is what you get in there. You got the main breast, and then they put these little small ones in there. They normally tie them up in a netting. You can just cook the whole thing, but I separated them. So I patted it dry. It was already in its own brine solution, so I patted it dry, but the moisture still wants to come out. So we're gonna go ahead and spray them down with a little bit of cooking oil so our seasonings will stick. Like so. Seasonings, I'm just gonna be doing a little bit of garlic and herb, some coarse sea salt, and some black pepper, of course. So let's go ahead and get to covering this up. All right, that's pretty much it. We got this thing covered. I'm gonna be using this Armeator smart wireless meat probe today. Be testing this thing out. I'm gonna go ahead and insert this thing into the large turkey breast, and that's pretty much it. All right, let's go ahead and load this up. All right, you guys, I got the temp set at 275. Let's go ahead and place them on. Little small ones over here. I'm actually gonna switch. Place the large one right there. All right, we're gonna go ahead and monitor this. Probably when it gets to about 150 or maybe about the first hour, I'm gonna take them off, put them in some aluminum foil with a little bit of butter, and we're gonna throw them back on here. All right, catch you in a minute. All right, y'all, I got my turkey breast. We're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I got half a stick of butter. Gonna take it, lay it face down like so. Get the rest of my butter. Throw that baby right down the top. Just gonna go ahead and wrap it up. That's it right there. We're gonna go ahead and throw it back on the smoker. All right, see you when we reach 165. All right, y'all, my probe just went off at 168. I'm gonna go ahead and take these things off, let them cool down for about 15, 20 minutes, and then it's gonna be time to cut them open. All right, see you in a minute. All right, y'all, here we go. That smoked turkey breast. Look at that right there. Oh Lord, man, don't get no better than that. Hey, I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe. Hey, my name is Trey. This is Mastablendz. It's time to eat.